Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change Amazon language using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for amazon.com. So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your Amazon account. Okay? So once you've logged in your account, what I want you to do is to click on this plug at the upper right side of your screen. There. So just go ahead and click on that. And you will see all of the available language on Amazon. Okay. But as you can see, I only have limited language right here. Right? So there are other ways to change the language on Amazon. So to do that, just go ahead and right click on your screen and click on Translate to English. And here you can see all of the, uh, I'm sorry, you want to click on the three little dots and choose another language. Now click on the drop down button and here you can see a lot of choices of languages. Okay, so just go ahead and choose any language that you want. Example Cebuano. So I'm just gonna click on translate. And here, as you can see, the language is changed, right? So if you want to switch it back to English, what I want you to do is again, right click, translate to Cebuano, then click on the three little dots, choose another language, click the drop down button, and choose English. Click translate. And now, as you can see, the language is now on English. Okay, but you can also choose these options. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.